After getting the device information, open the browser and type the URL developer.apple.com into the search bar. Now I am going to access the Apple developer website and click on the account tab. Because I already have a developer account, if you don't have it, I recommend creating a new developer account. After logging in, click on Certificates, IDs and Profiles on the left side of the screen. Then click on the device to add your device by giving the name and UDID. I have already added my device and as a result can see the UDID of my device in the identifier column. By clicking on the device name, you can view and update it. Now I am displaying my device UDID and name. Then click the back button. The next step is to create a certificate. To do this, click the Certificates tab and then the plus icon. Select the iOS distribution and click Continue. We have to upload a certificate signing request CSR file on this page. Choose the file from your system to upload, but I could not locate that file on my computer. In order to obtain it, I needed to open the desktop search bar and type Keychain Access. Then go to the Keychain Access tab and click it. Now I am requesting a certificate from a certificate authority using the Certificate Assistant option. When the Certificate Assistant message box appears, click Continue. Then you will get another dialog box. Fill in your email address and save it to disk. The Save As window will appear next and you can save the file to your desktop by clicking the Save button. You have created the certificate request and now have access to it on your desktop. Go back to the Apple developer page and choose the file from your desktop to upload. After the uploading is completed, click Continue. The certificate will be processed and you can download it. Now I click the download icon to see if the file is completely downloaded. You can locate the file in your download folder to obtain it. Then click Developer to go to the first page of the website. As we did in the first, go to the Certificates, IDs and Profiles page, open the system search bar and type Keychain Access. On the Keychain Access page, under My Certificate tab, select and export your certificate. I didn't get the Save As window the first time, so I am going through the process again. It is not necessary for you to repeat the procedure. Make sure the file is in .p12 format and save it to the download folder. Then you will get the password window. Fill in the password to protect the exported file. Here you can use your own password, which will be considered as a certificate password. Again, you will get another password window. You have to fill in your system login password. To grant permission, I enter my system login password and click allow. Check the file is saved in the download folder and go back to the Apple developer website. Now let me show you how to create an identifier. Click the Identify tab on the left side of the screen. The relevant information will be shown on the right side. Then click on the plus icon, select the app IDs and click Continue. The bundle ID, so I'm going back to fix it. Make sure you fill out all of the required fields correctly when registering. After making any changes, don't forget to click Continue. Check that the information provided is correct, then click Register to confirm your app ID. Now that I have created my app ID, I check it by typing the description into the search box. You can see that the app I searched for is filtered and displayed on the screen. I'm clicking on it to know the details. You can see the details of your app on this page as shown on the screen. The next step is to create a provisioning profile. Go back and click on the Profiles tab. Then the corresponding page will appear on the right side of the screen. Then click on the plus icon and select Ad hoc to create a distribution provisioning profile. I'm hitting Continue after selecting Ad hoc, which will take me to the next page. This is the page where you can generate the provisioning profile. Click the app ID and select your app ID from the drop down menu. I'm selecting the Loopy app from the drop down menu and clicking Continue. Following that, choose the iOS distribution certificate and click Continue. Next, select the checkbox of your device that you wish to include in the provisioning profile from the list of devices. I'm going to pick two devices that I would want to use. After that, click Continue and give the provisioning profile a name. The name you submit will be used in the portal to identify your profile. Then press Generate. The process will take a few moments, but I received an error message stating that the given name was duplicated. If you receive this error message, you should change your profile with the unique name. So I'm renaming the profile and generating it. Now you can download the file and check if it appears in your download folder. Finally, you have obtained the provisional file, certificate file and certificate password to set up iOS.